So we are currently about to get on a flight to British Airways, and it's straight to London, 12-hour flight, and then from there we'll have a 5-hour layover and then head to Austria.
Salzburg, Austria. Right now we're in the car going to our hotel.
So we are currently heading to a restaurant where we're going to try traditional Austrian food such as chicken Schnitzel, a mac and cheese type thing, Spatzel or something, and maybe find a dessert and maybe go to the market too. So let's go. Okay, so I'm having my first Austrian meal in Austria, and I'm trying this bread. I already took a bite because I thought it was free, but it turns out it's not. It's super hard on the outside, but in the inside, it's super soft, if you can see that. Okay, and I'm just gonna rip a piece off. Quite cold, but I mean, it's bread, you know? It tastes like bread, so I'm looking forward to the meals that we ordered, so yeah. So our meal came with this salad. Let's try it. Mmm. That's so flavorful. It looks like plain little leaves, but like it's filled with juices. Next, we have this dish. Came with our Schnitzel, and it looks like there's potato and some leaves that I don't know of. So sorry, I laughed a lot in that one for technical reasons, but it tastes like potato and leaves. It's super flavorful, it goes nicely together, and it's a bit tart from like what you said, vinegar, so yeah, really yummy.
Red onion tips.
So here, what we first have is some fried chicken, okay? It's so crispy. Let's take a bite of this. It's so juicy. Next up, we have chicken Schnitzel. So, I'm just gonna put some lemon on top of it. Whoa, it's kind of puffy. Okay, let's cut it. I'm gonna cut into it. Put some berry sauce on it with a bit of potato. It's so juicy in the middle, and if you can see right here, it's like pillowy almost. Next up, we have this Spatzel or whatever. It's almost, I think it's like their version of mac and cheese. Oh, so cheesy. With the onion, it's so good. Finally, we have apple strudel with some whipped cream and vanilla sauce. So I'm just going to have that all in one bite. It's not even that sweet. I thought it'd be overly sweet, but it's so good. And the apples are just a perfect balance to that puff pastry. Yum. So we just got finished with our Austrian meal. It was fantastic. Everything was amazing. Food came a little slow, but service made up for it, and everything just came at once. And now we're going to head to the market and get this weight off and while walking.